Most insurance companies will replace a vehicle anytime an estimated repair exceeds 80% of the Blue Book value of the vehicle. Okay, so this exceeds 80%. That's telling us something about an inequality. Michelle's insurance company paid $8,300 for repairs on her car after an accident. What can be concluded about the Blue Book value of the car? All right, so let's actually start with the last sentence because that's letting us know what is unknown and what we need to define a variable for. So what can be concluded about the Blue Book value of the car? Well, we don't know the Blue Book value of the car, so let's call that X. So let's say X equals the value of the car. That's the unknown in this problem. Value of the car. Okay, so it looks like there's two possible things that could happen to this car depending on how bad the damages or how much the repairs will cost. So the insurance companies will replace the car or repair the car. Okay, so the insurance company will replace the car. So let's say, let's make that a little bit neater. Repairs cost. So estimated repairs exceed 80%, so more than 80% or over 80%. So let's say repair costs over 80%. The insurance company will replace the car. Get you a new car. But if the repairs cost 80% or less, the insurance company will fix the car. That's basically what this problem is saying. Fix the car. Okay, so Michelle's insurance company paid $8,300 for repairs. Okay, the company paid for repairs. That means we're down here. They paid for repairs. They paid to fix the car. So that means the repairs cost 80% or less than the value of the car. So let's write that as an inequality. In this case, since the car was repaired and not replaced, we know that the repairs cost 80% or less than the value. Okay, so there's our inequality. What we don't know is the value of the car. So that's the value. That's what we called X up here. X is the value of the car. So that we don't know. But we do know that the repairs, so this number we do know. The repairs cost $8,300. So for the repairs, that's $8,300. And that $8,300 is 80% or less than the value of the car. So less than or equal to 80%, so 0.80, 80% of, multiply the value of the car. So we know $8,300 was less than or equal to 80% of the value of the car. If it was more than 80%, then the car would be replaced. All right, so that's it. That's our inequality. Solving the inequality is the easy part. It's just one quick step. We want to get x by itself, and this is multiplication, so we could divide both sides by 0.80. So the 0.80, the multiplying and dividing by 0.80 will cancel, and we'll get x on that side. And if we use a calculator for this, 8,300 divided by 0.80, that will give you 10,375. So, where X is the value of the car, so we could say the car is worth at least $10,375. So that does it for this problem. Down here where we actually solved the inequality, that was the easy part. I think that the more difficult part definitely the more difficult part in this problem was interpreting it, understanding it, and setting it up. This one wasn't so straightforward, but it was important to identify the keywords and identifying that in this case it was two options, either replace or repair the car, and it depended on whether or not the cost of repairs exceeded or went above 80% of the value. All right, that does it for this problem. I hope it was helpful.